In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can achieve this neat welt pocket. Right, just look at how neat it is and how beautiful it is. Okay, so if this is what you want, I'll teach you step by step. It's a detailed video, so I'm going to split it into different parts. All right, so please sit down and watch this video till the end. Also the different parts that I'll drop. Okay, this will enable you to achieve this neat one. All right, do well to subscribe and like this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to sew your back pocket. Okay, your back pocket, welt pocket to be precise. All right, so all you just need to do is you cut your, here is your gum stay. You put your gum stay in the you iron it to the wrong side. This is 15 3/4. At most, the smallest one, at least you can make it 14-inch, or you leave it above 14-inch. Okay, all right, so all you just need to do, iron or gum stay on both sides. All right, and here what you just need to do is to fold half of an inch. You fold half of an inch. As you can see here, this is half of an inch. All right, and then you iron with half of an inch. Iron with half of an inch. Please confirm with your measurement. And so you turn it. This is the other side. You turn it, and then you fold half of an inch. Half of an inch, and then use your pressing wood to confirm it, to confirm the line down. Okay, all right, now what you need to do is 7 1/4. 7 1/4, that's what I'll cut. 7 1/4 is the length. 7 1/4. 7 1/4. Okay, that's 7 1/4, and then the other part is also 7 1/4. So 7 1/4 plus 7 1/4 will give you 7.5. So we are interested in, this is what we are interested in. Okay, all right, and then for our back, to prepare our back, where our pocket will be. Okay, this is the wrong side. This is where the dart will be. As you can see, this is where the dart will be. Let me take it to the side. Okay, while cutting, I considered where the dart will be. All right, so all we need to do is, I'll take this. This is the wrong side. Watch me. This is the wrong side. I'll fold this way. Okay, I'll fold this way, wrong side, and then I'll iron straight, iron, and then use your pressing wood. Iron and use your pressing wood. Then this other side, okay, this other side, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Okay, and then you iron and make use of your pressing wood. Okay, so all you just need to do is you take it to your sewing machine and you sew. We gave half-inch allowance, so that means we gave it 1 inch allowance, which is half and half this way. So if I want to sew, I'll sew from here, and then I'll measure 3 inch. Some persons use 3 inch, some use 3.5, but here I'll consider 3 1/4. Okay, so this is where my dart will end. So if I'm to sew, I will slide it carefully. Okay, make here a little bit pointed. Just watch me. So I'll follow the chalk from here down to this part. All right, on this side and the other side, you do the same. All right, if this has been of a help to you, please don't forget to click on like and share this video with others. For those that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. All right, so we'll go down to the sewing machine to sew this. All right. All right, so what you do is this. Okay, my pocket width, the width of my pocket is 5.5. 5.5. Okay, depends on the wideness of your client's hand. Okay, so we are going to 5.5 divided by 2 will give us 2 3/4. This is the middle. 2 3/4. This 5.5. This is 5.5. So I mark, and then we said it is 3 1/4. This 3 1/4. This is 3 1/4. 3 1/4. And so what you need to do, you take your this, and then you, all right. So while sewing, I'll take note of this line. Okay, while sewing, I'll take note of this line. All right, then the pocket at the back. Okay, the pocket, this is the pocket at the back. All right, this is the pocket at the back. And so all we need to do is to measure here 8 by 18. 8 by 18. The eight should be even. Okay, 8 all through. Okay, by this is 8 by 18. The length of the pocket is 18. All right, so we'll go now to our sewing machine, and then I'll teach you how to sew your Welt pocket. All right.